So, Pravra, before we start, we need to revise a few formulas which you must have seen in 11th. So, do you remember the formula for sigma notation? So, do you remember what is sigma r equal to 1 to n of r?
एक 3 टर्म्स का था और एक 5 टर्म्स का था, आई थिंक 1, 3 and 5। मैं याद नहीं आ रहा।
1, 3, and 5. So,
नहीं नहीं,
the answer to
आर
this is
स्क्वायर एंड समथिंग लाइक दैट।
so it was r square and r cube basically. So, formula for sigma r is n into n plus 1 by 2. For r square, the formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. And for sigma r cube, the formula is the square of r wala formula. So it's n square into n plus 1 the whole square upon 4.
ओके।
ठीक है, चलो, let us take questions based on this.
मैं
So we'll
क्या
take
हूँ?
this. Sorry, what?
n+1
Oh,
2n+1
yeah.
का।
Yeah, write this, no problem.
Yeah, I'm done.
Chalo, the first one, find the sum to n terms of this series. अब ये है ना प्रवरा, ये जो पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन है, इफ यू लुक एट दिस सीक्वेंस, आई एम राइटिंग s is the sum which we have to find. So we have to find 3 plus 5 into 1 by 4 plus 7 into 1 by 4 square plus dot 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 dot. Do you realize, Pravra, that this is actually a combination of AP and GP both?
हाँ, वो 357 APM और वो
Correct.
14 GPM।
357 is an AP, then 1 by 4, 1 by 4 square, that is a GP. Right. So such sequences are called arithmetico-geometric progressions. AGP.
Okay.
AGP is basically combination of APGP both.
ठीक है।
So to solve these questions, there is a general method. What we will be doing is, first step, identify the common difference, the common ratio of the GP. Identify the common ratio and we will multiply each term by that common ratio. What do I mean is, here the common ratio, do you realize, is 1 by 4.
हाँ
So we will multiply everything by 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 s. Do you realize 3 will be multiplied with 1 by 4? Where
ओके।
5, when this term is multiplied with 1 by 4, it will become 5 into 1 by 4 ka square, pravra,
हाँ
and so on. अच्छा,
ठीक
और
है।
मैंने टर्म्स को देखो उस हिसाब से लिखा है कि 1 by 4 वाला टर्म 1 by 4 वाले टर्म के नीचे है, 1 by 4 square, 1 by 4 square are one below another, and so on. And now you have to
हाँ
subtract the two equations. Do you realize when we subtract the two equations, this will be s minus 1/4 of s, which is 3/4 of s, equal to
हाँ
this 3 will be left as it is. Do you realize, Pravra, in this term when you take 1 by 4 common, bracket में आएगा 5 minus 3, which is 2 into 1 by 4.
हाँ।
फिर नेक्स्ट टर्म में क्या होगा, नेक्स्ट होगा
5
2
minus
into
3
1 by 4 square
कि 5 plus 3।
minus, now we are subtracting the two GPs
हाँ राइट राइट।
and so
हाँ
on.
राइट राइट।
तो काम हो गया प्रवरा. See, 3 plus, I'm taking 2 common, so now we have 1 by 4, we have 1 by 4 square, and so on. Do you realize this is a GP and we have to find the sum of GP for infinite terms?
हाँ
उसका फॉर्मूला होता है a upon 1 minus r. I hope you remember that, sum of infinite terms of GP.
yeah।
Complete this and tell me what is the sum, what is s from here. So 3 by 4 s is equal to 3 plus 2. This is 1 by 4 upon 3 by 4. This 4 will get cut. So you should get 3 by 4 s is equal to 3 plus 2 by 3. 3 by 4 s is equal to 9 11 by 3. Your answer should be 44 by 9 because you will take 3 by 4 on the other side, right?
अरे हाँ वो भी बचा है।
So 44 by 9.
हाँ
Let us now take question number 2 and 3 is same. You can try that later on. एकदम same है. AGP है, so it's arithmetic or geometric progression. Fourth one we should
ओके
take. Yeah, fourth one is slightly different. Let us take that. Find the sum of the series up to n terms. See, you have to realize that in this particular sequence, the first term is 1, the second term is 1 plus 2 upon 3, the third term is 1 plus 2 plus 3 upon, oh sorry, this is upon 2 by the way, upon 3. So can you guess, Pravra, what will be
क्या
the
कर रहे हो आप? अच्छा ओ हाँ सॉरी फोर्थ सम
fourth sum?
सॉरी
Fourth sum.
हाँ
So do
सॉरी
you realize the rth term? What will be the rth term? Think about this. Rth term will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to
डॉट डॉट बाय अच्छा
r
ये वो है तीन निकाल रहे हैं क्या इसका
upon r. ये समझा? This is the
हाँ
rth
मीन
term.
ये ना ठीक है
मीन नहीं निकाल रहा हूं मैं ना, एक जनरल टर्म फाइंड कर रहा हूं, क्योंकि
हाँ
इसका एक बार जनरल टर्म मिलेगा ना हमें, देन वी कैन फाइंड द समेशन ऑफ दैट.
ठीक है ओके
तो इसका जनरल टर्म जो है इसमें 1 से लेके r तक का एडिशन है. कैन आई राइट दैट एज समेशन ऑफ r? तो ये
तो
उसके
ये
जैसा है, अभी जो हमने फॉर्मूला सीखा ना उसके जैसा है. तो वी कैन नाउ राइट दैट एज r इंटू आर प्लस 1/2,
ठीक है
एंड
हाँ
डिनोमिनेटर में r एज इट इज है. डिनोमिनेटर में तो r है.
हाँ आर है
So do you realize the final general term is r plus 1/2?
हाँ
Okay.
एक सेकंड ठीक है
Now,
फाइन
do you know this, that when we have to find the sum of all the terms of a sequence, it is as good as adding the general term from r equal to 1 to n.
हाँ बात तो सही है ठीक है
बात तो सही है. तो बस अभी तो हो जाएगा. So this is going to be summation of r plus 1/2. अब ये सेम फॉर्मूला से सॉल्व करना है इसको. So जो by 2 है, डिनोमिनेटर में जो 2 है, आई एम
ये
कीपिंग दैट
जनरल टर्म है ना सर
general term है. I'm continuing on this side. I'm keeping half outside, Pravra. This is now summation r plus summation 1. देखो, summation r is a direct formula. It is n into n plus 1/2. Do you know what is summation 1?
हाँ जीरो
n. See, summation
एन
1 का क्या मतलब है? That 1 is added n times.
हाँ ठीक है
It's like 1
ओके
plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, ऐसा n times जाएगा.
तो वन हाँ सही है ठीक है ओके
Done. So इसको थोड़ा LCM लेके solve करेंगे. And we can take n common. तो ब्रैकेट में आएगा n plus 1/2 plus 1. When you take LCM, this will be n plus 1 plus 2 by 2. So n by 2 into n plus 3 by 2. The final answer is n into n plus 3 by 4. Done. That's the answer.
फोर हाँ फोर ठीक है ठीक